Most people spend thousands of dollars building the perfect high-end PC, only to leave it suffocating on a dusty carpet, or trapped in a corner where airflow goes to die. This sleek white mobile CPU stand might just be the most underrated upgrade for your entire desk setup, and it is honestly surprising how much of a difference a simple tray can make. When looking at this stand, the first thing that stands out is the sheer flexibility it offers for different builds. It features an adjustable width ranging from about 7.8 to over 10 inches, which means whether you have a slim office tower or a beefy gaming rig, this thing is going to hug your case perfectly. The length sits at nearly 20 inches, providing a stable base that prevents that heart-stopping wobble you often get with cheaper alternatives. One of the biggest killers of computer hardware is heat, and dust, especially if your tower is sitting directly on the floor. This stand tackles that problem with a smart porous hollow design at the bottom. It is not just there for aesthetics. It actively enhances airflow around the power supply and bottom intake fans, keeping everything ventilated and significantly cleaner over time. Then there is the mobility factor. It comes with 4 smooth caster wheels, and 2 of them actually lock into place. This is a total game changer for anyone who hates wrestling with cables. Instead of crawling under your desk and straining your back to reach the rear ports, you can just unlock the wheels and glide the entire tower out. It feels sturdy, and the white finish gives it a clean, modern look that blends right into a professional office or a minimalist gaming station. It is a simple, effective, and surprisingly rugged solution for anyone looking to protect their investment. If you want to keep your PC off the floor and running cool, while making your workspace much more functional, this adjustable mobile stand is a total no-brainer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.